Alright, welcome to Chaka Quantics, and in this video I will be showing us how to prepare a cost analysis for a construction project. Now of course, like we always do, we relate our videos to Nigerian Institute of Quantity Surveyors course for professional test of professional competence exams, and there's this question there on cost analysis I want us to look together. Now this is the question here. Penultimate valuation prepared for insurance of practical completion certificate. All right, substructure is this, right? This is the project is practically complete, so it is due for handover. Now this is frames. We have all this here for superstructure rather. Frames is 22 million, 22.8. Upper floors is 32.8. Roof is 23.6. In that other body, total of this superstructure is 200,700,050 naira. The same thing if you finishes, you have wall finishes 28.5, floor finishes in that other. Now of course, produced and general items expended is 26 million. So value of work done by the contractor is 606,109,430. So this is the total construction cost. Every other thing here is analysis. Release retention, add retention, less previous payment. This is the total construction cost for this particular project. All right. So, and this is where we'll be basing our cost analysis. All right. Now, basically, a cost analysis is a process of analyzing the cost of a construction project with the purpose of determining the impact or the percentage contribution of each element of that particular project to the overall cost. It is the process of analyzing a construction project cost with the intention of determining the impact of each element of that particular project to the overall cost, or the percentage contribution of each element to the overall cost. That is basically what cost analysis is. Now we have seen here, this is the total construction cost. Now let's quickly jump in here so that we don't have too long a video. Cost analysis for a completed project, right? Now this is the details we have there. These details is in the question. This is in the question. All right, now see what we have here. 606,109,430. 606,109,430. All right, so we want to analyze this cost. Now we're given this question here. It says, using the project cost information in question number 2 above, which is this, prepare cost analysis for the project. Prepare cost analysis for the project. The gross floor area, that's GFA, of the building is 2,585 square meters. Right? Now I want to prepare the cost analysis. Now given this particular gross floor area 2,585. All right, now this is what we have here. Gross floor area GFA of the building is 2,585. All right, so I was able to come up with just a simple formula to guide us in the calculation. All right, well, excuse me. Now this is the cost per square meter. This is the total construction cost, right, or the total construction sum. Now the cost per square meter is given by total construction cost divided by the ground floor area. Now of course you see that in there are some buildings, some professionals will tell you what is the cost per square meter for a duplex, what is the cost per square meter for a factory, or what is the cost per square meter for this particular bedroom bungalow. This is how you calculate the cost per square meter, the total construction cost divided by the total the gross floor area. All right, now for this project here, it is 234,471 naira 73 kobo. Now the cost analysis, okay, I put is the percentage contribution of each element of the building to the total cost of the building, or whatever the project is. All right, now it is, see it here, the element divided by the total cost times 100/1. That particular element we are talking about divided by total construction cost times 100 over 1 is will give us the percentage contribution of that particular element to the overall cost of the project. Now let's take them one after the other. Now I took preliminaries here because it played a role. If you come here, you see preliminaries. Alright, so it played a role in the 606109. Alright, so preliminaries, just pick that this is 26 million divided by 606109 times 100 over 1, we have 4%. Alright, 26 million divided by this times 100 over 1, that's 100%, we have 4%. Alright, for substructure it is 4025. This is substructure here, 40225,580 divided by the total construction cost element divided by total construction cost times 100%. Element substructure divided by total construction cost times 100%. This is just now the preliminary is not an element, alright, but it plays a very vital role to the successful component. But that is why I started from A, B, and C. Alright, okay. Substructure gives us 7%. The same thing will go to superstructure, which is item B. The same thing, if you come here, you will see item B here is superstructure. Alright, let's go. Alright, superstructure is 202,280,050. Now see it here. Alright, summation of everything here is the superstructure. If you come here to the question also, you see it here. Alright, so element divided by total construction cost times 100%. Element divided by total construction cost times 100%. This is 33%. The same thing we do for finishes. Now FFE, fittings, furniture, and fixed and equipment. Alright, it's the same thing. Alright, this is FFE. This gives me down fittings. Alright, this is the element divided by total construction cost, which is this here. Alright, times 100%. Alright, now this will give me, oh sorry, this will give me this. Alright, now the same thing for MEP. Right, it is as simple as what we are doing now. The percentage contribution or the impact of the cost of each element, to the overall construction cost or to the overall cost of the project. I said that cost analysis is a process of analyzing the cost of a construction project with the aim of determining the impact or the percentage contribution of each element to the overall cost of that particular project. Now we have this to be this. Okay, now let's actually see if it will give us what this is. This I have this guy here. Will it give me that? Okay, this is this. I divided by this. I have 7%, and this should work. Okay, this should. Oh, sorry. This will come like this. All right. Now you see it's 100%. All right. So this is the percentage contribution of each element. Preliminaries GOBS 4%, substructure GOBS 77%, superstructure GOBS 33% in that order. Now you see MEP, of course MEP generally, right? Generally, say okay, take what are we going to take for MEP? Say okay, take 30%, 31% of the total cost. All right, that is how it works. Now of course all these elements, don't say we have done it before. Preliminary is 4%, 7%. That is not so. It is peculiar to each project. In your project, so superstructure might not be 33%. Please. Alright, so it is peculiar to this project we are working on. The same thing, you can do the cost analysis for any project anywhere in the world. I hope this adds value to you. I want to be as short as possible. Alright, do go through it. It will help you professionally, it will help you academically. You don't want to miss this video, right? It's a video you must watch as a construction professional. Whether you are a quantity surveyor, or you are a builder, you're a civil engineer, or you whatever, once you are in the built environment, you're in the construction industry, you don't want to miss this video. It is a must watch. It is Chaka Quantix. Expect more value adding content from us. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.